Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I wanted to just do a quick video showing you what fragrances I've added to my collection. So I'm not gonna this isn't a review. It's really just strictly a haul showing you what I've recently added. Most of these things I got off of Fragrance Net. I did order something off of eBay and then Amazon. So I will really quickly get into what I got. Okay, so I got a travel mist of Armani CFiori, and this fragrance has been out for a while. Simply Shaughnessy has talked about it. Senya has talked about it. A couple of other people that I watch. I decided to go ahead and get it. So that is Armani CFiori. So the next travel spray is Valentino Donna, the original. So if you've seen my top 10 videos, you know that I love Valentino Donna Born in Roma, and this is just Valentino Donna. And so I just wanted to try it. They had a travel spray, so I went ahead and grabbed it while I was looking for other things. Okay, so I got two Juicy Couture travel sprays. I got Juicy Couture Majestic Woods and Juicy Couture Glistening Amber. So added those in a travel spray. So the last travel sprays that I got were from Prada. So I got Prada Candy Night. I think I've had this before, but I honestly can't remember. Then I got Prada Candy Sugar, Pop, Prada Candy Floral. So those are the three candies. And then I saw Prada Candy La Femme Intense when I was looking at the Pradas. And since they had a travel spray, I decided I'd go ahead and try that. Okay, and of the three full-size fragrances I got, the first one is Guess by Marciano. Jasmine Bullard I've seen quite a few videos for a while of her talking about this, and I've kind of had it in my list, and I finally just went ahead and got it. So I got it off of Fragrance Net. This one I did smell. I like it. I think I have to play around with it, and I feel like right now I like it more when it gets warmer, but literally I just sprayed on paper, then sprayed a little bit on my hand, and I did like it. Happy that I have. Okay, so the next full size bottle I actually found on eBay, and I got this because of Coco Peb. So she showed this in a video and said that it's a dupe for Rouge Malachite, which is super expensive. And I had, so what is that brand called? It's a dupe house, Juliana's Perfume. So they have one called Bad Bee, and I got a sample of that a while ago, and I really like it, and I do plan on getting it. But when she mentioned this one, I went searching for it and found it on eBay, and it was like 30 something bucks. So I was like, okay, I'll get it. So I got it. This smells really good. I like it a lot. So I think I'll enjoy this. I think I still want to get the Juliana one. And if I do, maybe I'll do a comparison. I don't see myself getting Rouge Malachite because that's just really expensive, but we'll see. But at least I'll have those two and I can compare them. So stay tuned for that. And the last full size fragrance I got was Coco Musk. So I've had the oil for a while and just decided to go ahead and get the perfume. So I love this. It's just a really nice, it's exactly what the name is. It's a Coco Musk. I'm sure you've heard of this by now. I got this one on Amazon. So those are the fragrances that I've recently added to my collection. I'll play with them and do some videos on like reviews and things like that. So I just really wanted to hop on and just kind of show you what I have. I have a couple of niche and high-end fragrances coming, so I'll do a video about the haul for that one as well. But just wanted to kind of show you these. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys at the next one. Bye.